What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add PayPal button on Shopify. Now it is good to know that Shopify has a built-in integration that places the PayPal Express checkout button on your cart and checkout pages once connected. So let's show you how you can connect it. Simply go over to the settings button right here, click on it, and then you'll be taken to this page. Make sure to click on payments, and then right here you'll see the option to add PayPal. If you don't see it, you can simply click on add payment method, and then right here you'll need to search for PayPal. Now if PayPal is available in your country, all you need to do is to search for PayPal and then click on PayPal. Then it will take you to a new tab where you'll need to log on into your PayPal account in order to verify your ownership and connect it with your Shopify. So this is just a linking process. So you first click on PayPal here on Shopify. It then takes you to PayPal where you'll need to log into your PayPal account, and then you'll be connected with your Shopify. This automatically adds the PayPal option to your checkout. So when anyone goes over to your shop to add a product, they'll see the PayPal option right here, which they can use. So these are the steps to follow if you want to add or set up PayPal button payment option on Shopify.